Hello guys, welcome back. Today I woke up with the morning and this was my view, and I saw this bed is called common bulbul. And then I went to the cafe. I started roasting coffee, and here the coffee was done. This one's called dark roast. I put it in the sieve, and then you can take it for 15 minutes, and then you can ground it, then you can drink it. Yeah, here in the cafe the people wear a gunboot on their feet. Why? Because it is the rain season. And here is the cafe. As you see, people are chilling, talking, and here they have some arts like these ones. Here are some key holders. Still continue roasting coffee. Just enjoying. Don't forget to share to the family and friends.